This looks like a question wherein we need to handle LHS and RHS separately. It looks like that. So I'll start off with LHS. So we have cot of 4x. Okay. I can write it as cos and all of that, but for now we'll handle the brackets first. Sine of 5x plus sine of 3x. Okay. So next thing is we have sine A plus sine B, right? Clearly. So what is sine A plus sine B? So we have sine A plus sine B as, yes, think of it. Correct, 2 times of sine of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. And when we apply it over here, what do we get? So cot of 4x into 2 times of, this is 8 by 4, that is 8 by 2, that's 4x, into this would be cos of x, right? Clearly. So further, this is cos 4x by sine 4x, and now we have, I'll do a bit of it. Let's see, we might end up with, see this too, what happens? So we have this to be cos 4x by sine 4x into 2 times of sine 4x into cos 4x, sorry, cos x. So this and this will get cancelled, and we have this to be, I'll write it over here itself, 2 times of cos 4x cos x. We'll just leave it, right? We'll move on to the RHS. So in RHS we have cot of x into sine of 5x minus sine of 3x. So here what formula we have to make use of? Yes, sine of A minus sine of B. Now think of the pattern. You have the first formula. Can you derive the second formula in your head? It's quite simple, right? 2 times of cos of A plus B by 2 into sine of A minus B by 2, right? So the next thing is applying it, cot x into 2 times of, okay, you know what, since I already know that I'm going to cancel something, cos x by sine x into 2 times of, now this would be sine of 4x, right? Now first is cos of 5x plus 3x by 2 is 4x into sine of 5x 3x is 2x by 2 is x. So clearly, since we already knew the pattern, I wrote it in this manner. I saved a step. So this is 2 times of cos of 4x and cos of x. Clearly we have this to be equal to our LHS, and we have the proof. That's it. Okay, a small tip over here. Whenever you get expressions which are clearly can be solved at both ends, not a single expression, not a single number, you should take up RHS and LHS separately, come to a certain point. If you can't move further, or if it looks like if I'm going to move further, it's going to get more complicated, just stop it over there. You think if this is the simplest form, just stop it and do the same thing on the RHS. So if you're not able to meet, then you can think of, okay, what can I do next so that they are equal. If not, you just end up with the answer. You don't have to think too much, right? Like all the question, just that there are 2 parts to it.